providing you with the gold IRA information you need in these uncertain economic times. Welcome to the channel and enjoy the video.
Gold price prediction 2023. How much higher can it go? All-time high price of gold. The price of gold previous record high of $2,078 an ounce was on March 8, 2022, surpassing the previous record high established in August 2020. This impressive milestone has sparked a renewed interest in the precious metal among investors worldwide, as gold has traditionally been viewed as a safe haven asset that can help protect against economic uncertainty and inflation. The fact that gold has now set two new record highs in less than 20 months has prompted many investors to wonder whether this trend will continue into 2023. While the future price of gold is notoriously difficult to predict, there are several factors that could influence its trajectory in the coming year. Global economy, economic growth. One factor to consider is the state of the global economy. If economic growth continues to slow down or if there are signs of inflation, investors may continue to flock to gold and other precious metals as a hedge against these risks. Additionally, changes in interest rates or currency valuations could also impact the price of gold. Another factor that could affect gold prices is the level of demand for the metal. In recent years, demand for gold has been driven largely by investors in emerging markets, particularly China and India. Any changes to the economic conditions in these countries could impact the level of demand for gold and ultimately affect its price. April 4, 2023, $2,038.82 per ounce gold price. As of the date of this video, April 4, 2023, the price of gold hit its next highest price per ounce since the March 8 all-time high. The high of today of $2,038.82 as of 12:10 p.m. New York time. The price has been holding steady above $2,034 per ounce the rest of the day since hitting the high early in the afternoon. Gold price predictions and forecasts for 2023. Most analyst predictions were forecast by the end of 2023, were rather conservative, and came in rather low. These were Société Générale at $1,550, Fitch at $1,600, Trading Economics at $1,600, Reuters at $1,750, ABN AMRO minus $1,900. Some predictions of still higher gold in 2023. However, Jörg Kiener, Managing Director and Chief Investment Officer of Swiss Asia Capital, believes that gold prices could surge to $4,000 per ounce in 2023 as interest rate hikes and recession fears keep markets volatile. Robert Kiyosaki, a well-known investor and finance guru, has predicted $3,800 an ounce gold by the end of 2023. Some reasons to invest in gold now. Hedge against inflation. Gold has historically been viewed as a hedge against inflation. Unlike paper currencies, gold cannot be printed or artificially inflated by central banks. This means that, in times of high inflation, the value of gold tends to rise as people turn to it as a store of value that can help preserve their buying power. Diversification in portfolio. Adding gold to an investment portfolio can also provide diversification benefits. Because gold tends to move independently of other assets such as stocks and bonds, it can help reduce overall portfolio risk and increase returns over the long term. Safe haven asset. During times of economic and political uncertainty, gold has often been viewed as a safe haven asset. This means that investors will often turn to gold as a store of value during times of crisis, which can help support its price. Long-term store of value. Gold has been used as a store of value for centuries, and its value has endured over time. Unlike paper currencies, which can be subject to inflation and other economic pressures, gold has maintained its purchasing power over the long term. Global demand. Gold has a global market and is in demand in many different parts of the world. This means that gold can be easily traded and bought and sold in many different currencies, making it a highly liquid asset. Physical asset. Unlike many other forms of investments such as stocks and bonds, gold is a physical asset that you can hold in your hand. This tangible quality can make gold feel more secure and less subject to the whims of the market. In summary, gold can help keep its value in relation to cash and help preserve buying power due to its historical role as a hedge against inflation, diversification benefits, safe haven asset status, long-term store of value, global demand, and physical asset quality. Get in touch with Augusta Precious Metals today. Augusta is one of the highest-rated gold companies in America with a proven track record of customer satisfaction and not even one complaint filed with the BBB. No other gold company can make that claim. They offer cash purchases as well as gold IRAs. They can help you roll over a 401k or traditional IRA into a gold IRA as well, and help keep your funds safe and outside the Wall Street and the big banking system. Don't wait. Request your free kit now. Click the link in the description, or visit easygoldinvestments.com. You can also call them at 1-855-470-4636.
Get more information from our top recommended gold IRA provider, Augusta Precious Metals, by clicking the link below the video, or by going to easygoldinvestments.com. You can also call them at 1-855-470-4636. You can speak to someone more about setting up a new account or further details on how to do a rollover from a conventional IRA, 401k, or other retirement account. For your free gold IRA kit, visit easygoldinvestments.com right now. Or call 1-855-470-4636. You'll be glad you did. Get more information from our top recommended gold IRA